What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Traxxas ox400 off-road. Now as you can see, it will be used again this weekend because one thing I should realize something like this thing right here is advisory. It's been getting used almost quite a bit because at some point the thing may get means to get a little forward tank of fuel, you can see, because you can see how much expensive this thing is. It's honestly not too bad. Exactly, I do like this machine a lot because it's honestly, it looks pretty nice. Look, you can see the tires are still holding up pretty good. So you can see how much expensive this thing is, which is pretty much what expected this thing is. It is it's a fuel injected Kawasaki engine, which is doesn't really have definitely amount of power. You can see, but definitely how much of it expected this machine exactly, because I do like this machine a lot because you see how much expected these things. It's been used. It's gonna get used like twice the whole weekend. You can see, because like I said, we've been using this machine a lot of times. And that's when how much I really expected this thing exactly. You can see how much expected this machine's been exactly, because you know how expected this thing exactly, which it will get used another weekend. I know that because you know how I expected this thing exactly, which it's a pretty nice looking machine in my opinion, but I do kind of like this machine a lot because you see how much expected this thing exactly, which it's definitely will get used again. And that's because you can see how much expected this thing exactly, which I mean, it's a pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. But it's definitely how much of expected this machine exactly will get used on the weekend, you see. But this is a pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. This thing will get used again.